Hi guys, okay, this is a very quick video just to show you how to link a Vimeo video. If you're going to use Vimeo to host your online presentations, how you would link that to Co-Kinetic. Now I should make a caveat here, if you are using a free Vimeo account, this is not going to work. So you're going to have either a paid account on Vimeo, and if you don't have a paid account, then I would recommend you go with YouTube because YouTube is free and it will be much more straightforward and it won't cost you anything. So as you can see here, we need one of these two options. We either have people with a private link or hide this video from Vimeo, i.e. it's unlisted effectively, which now you can do this in YouTube perfectly fine, but obviously if you want to do it in Vimeo, then you have to be on one of these plans that are all paid plans. So when you upload the video, I think I'm just uploading one at the moment. Let me go and have a quick look. So I've been uploading this one. I think the option you want is hide this video from Vimeo, and let's click on that and we select language. And we probably want to turn that off, I believe. Then we're going to click save. Okay, so we've now got this edit settings button, so let's just click on those settings and have a look. See, I don't use Vimeo very often, I have to say, so I'm not as familiar as with this. Now you can see that this video is private, is selected. I'm, to be honest, not entirely sure. I think that should work, but what you do need to make sure is that our domain is listed on here. So if you will need to put in co-kinetic.com in there in order for us to be able to see that video. So just make sure that we are in there as a specific domain where this video can be embedded. Now I would suggest you turn off comments probably. I wouldn't allow people to download obviously because we're trying to keep this secure for you. So that should be fine. Then you click save, and now we need to go and get the share information if we can already. Right, so what we need here is this copy embed code. So we've gone to share and we've clicked on the copy embed code. Look again, copy embed code. I think it's pasted it, right, embed code copied to the clipboard. Now what you need to do here is you need to go and paste that into a blank file of some sort, and it is this embed code that we need. So it's that little string of code in there in between the two inverted commas, speech marks, sorry. So let me go and copy that, and let me go back to the Co-Kinetic site. I can't remember which tab I'm in. And I'm using the demonstration and test page just for the moment, just to test that this works. And I've put a YouTube one in here. I'm going to update that now with this Vimeo one. And click update. Need to click update first. And then we need to just go and check that it does actually work. So in order to do that, we need to go to the Setup tab. And obviously in the real thing, you wouldn't be using the demonstration test page. We're just trying this as a test. When you're happy it's all working, then you can go and put it in the real template for the landing page that you're using. Now I've identified that this copy button is not currently working, so I need to speak to the developer about that. But if you just double or triple click on there and do copy, don't worry about that little no-go sign, it's fine. And then let's paste that URL in here. Now let me just quickly explain. And it's worked. Hurrah! That's always good. So you will see now that it has embedded that video that I've just uploaded onto this page. Now obviously this is just one of my help videos, so it wouldn't be the same as your one, but you can see it's all working and it's sitting on there and it's all embedded nicely. Now let me just nip back to the Co-Kinetic site here. So this is basically where the sign up page where people go to sign up to the event, and this is the page that they will go to once they've signed up and done whatever you need them to do. So you might be charging them, and if that's the case, then obviously I'll show you how to set the sign up page so that you can take credit card details so they can pay. And this is the page that they will be delivered to as soon as they have clicked submit or purchase or whatever. This is the page. So it's always worth going and testing this page first just to make sure that everything is fine. But basically that shows you how the code that you need to get to. So it's this little share button. When you've uploaded it, you've made it private. Let me just quickly review those settings. So we've hidden it from Vimeo. And we've made sure that co-kinetic.com is in as a specific domain where this video can be embedded. That's important because it's obviously sitting on one of the landing pages that we have built on your behalf. So you need to make sure we're in there, and we've turned off all these settings. Nobody can comment, nobody can download it because you don't really want the file getting out and about. And then you go up and you get this copy embed code. It automatically copies it into your clipboard, so it's kind of in an invisible clipboard. You go and paste it down here, and then you grab that URL without the speech marks. Really important that you leave those speech marks out, because any problem with that URL and that page will break and it won't show the correct video. So that is how to get your presentation if you are going to use Vimeo as your hosting site. And remember that all of this footer and everything will be your personal footer. So this is just happens to be my version of it. Okay, hope that's useful. Thanks, guys.